Hi everyone. Now we are going to see some English vocabulary which is used for daily thing. Just we will see a daily at least 5 to 10. It will be useful for you to use well to develop your communication. First, I can go with the ex- exasperated. Exasperated. Exasperated means it's irritate, intensity, and infuriate. So exasperate in Tamil அவநம்பிக்கை அடைந்திருந்த. So exasperated means irritate, intensity, and infuriated. So second thing is we are going to see stubborn. What is mean by stubborn? Stubbornness. 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 So you can see the pronunciation of stubbornness. Dog determines not to change one's attitude or position of on something. So stubbornness it's mean position on something. Position on something. So that is a stubbornness. And the third one is derogatory. Derogatory means showing critical or disres- disrespectful attitude. if some situation sentence you want to be create with disrespectful attitude means you can use this derogatory. Derogatory Derogatory means in Tamil is a தரைக்குறைவாக. It means that which is sorry தரைக்குறைவாக. So next we will see the no, actually we need to search it. Okay. Disparagingly, it means express the opinion that something's little worth. So we'll see. Yeah, next word is nugging. Nugging. It's constantly arresting someone to do something. So nugging is nothing but it's a meaning of someone you are constantly arresting someone to do something. So you're forcing someone to do something. So that is called nagging. So the vocabulary, this one is nagging. In Tamil, it is தொல்லையாக இருந்து. So தொல்லையாக இருந்து. So that is nagging. So next is fing. 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 Unpressure or contemptible person. The person who inform on people to authorize. The frink means the unpleasant. It's who is no, who is informing a person as authority. So what is maybe frink? ரகசிய தகவல் கொடுப்பவன். It means that frink it's a person informing on person of authorities. That is, it's like spy. A frink is like a spy. its meaning is like a spy. So you want instead of spy you can use that think. So next one is beguile. Beguile. Beguile is charm or enchant, often in dis- dispersive way. Charm, charm. What is maybe in Tamil you can say அவர்களை ஏற்படுத்துதல், ஏமாற்றுதல், அவர்களை ஏமாற்றுதல். Charm and offering of dispersive way. So it is that the charm and enrich offering in dispensive way means we are just uh, cheating someone. So for cheating someone you can have beguile. Beguile means a cheating, a trick to do something, someone to do something. So beguile, you're cheating someone to do something. That is beguile. Next is lure. Lure, tempt to do something. So you are you're making to do people to tempt you. Sometimes you can see in some situation the people is around you make you to tempt yourself. So that when you coming to tempt, yeah, that that is a meaning of lure. Lure is a vocabulary for tempting, yes, by someone. In Tamil you can varapattar. Varapattar, it means they have done it. They are not coming with willingness. Someone has make them to do it like this. And second one is defy. 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 Open, reset, and refuse to obey. Defy. Yes, it's a it's a keyword which is used to disobeying the person. If someone is disobey something, yeah, you can use a defy. Defy you can use. So மீறுகின்றனர். In Tamil, we can say மீறுகின்றனர். So today we have saw some 10 vocabularies. So I hope that you can able to understand that each vocabulary you are learning every day 5 or 10 vocabularies newly. It will be helpful for you to improve your communication. So if you think that you want to be know a specific kind of vocabularies, let me know in comment so that I can able to provide a vocabularies or according to your suggestion. And you want know more information about in I given now Tamil language. If you want to go with any other language also, it's good. We can try to get it on that. Okay, so thank you for watching the videos. After watching this video, don't go as it is, just subscribe the videos so that it will be helpful for us to do more and more with like like this vocabularies. So thank you for watching. Have a good day. Thank you.